I'm here with James. He's got a 1989 Toyota Supra, and today he received third place for Toyota Supra. James, tell me about what you have done to your car.
Well, as you said, this is my 1989 Mk3 Supra. There isn't much left that's still factory. It is a fully built 2JZ T56 transmission with an 8.8 Ford rear end and everything else in between. I've done the turbo A duct, I have the new front lip, I built the headlights myself, did the wiring myself, built the engine myself, all the way down to even the interior and gauges. The car was originally a factory maroon car with maroon interior, and the only thing that stands for maroon is the targa top now.
Okay. James, well deserved for third place.
Third place for Mk3.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, last thing, James.
Yes, sir.
James, what was your experience like at today's 20th anniversary of JCCS?
Superb and outstanding. It's become a tradition for me. I hope to be bringing my kids here every year, as well as my Mk3, and you guys can actually enjoy all the progressions I've been doing to it. Thank you for having me.
You're very welcome, James. We look forward to seeing you next year.
Thank you.